Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get free items in Roblox. Well, all of us guys are playing Roblox day and night and trying to get these items that are so much good and makes you look so good between your friends. But sometimes it is hard to get the Roblox coins and buy these skins or accessories that the game gives it to us, and we want only to get those free items if it is possible. Today I will show you how we can actually get these items for free and without paying anything, and sometimes not even playing the game itself. So let's start first with going to the page web of Roblox by going to roblox.com. So this is the page. From here we open this page. Here what I need you guys to do is put in your information. So here's the birthday, username, password, and here is the gender. So right after that you click on sign up and you will be ready to go. So after that you click on log in, and here guys you put your username and here your password. So right after you signed up and you logged into Roblox website, you can go now to this menu, which you will have Roblox create, avatar shop, discover, and go to avatar shop. So back to it guys, all of these skins are pretty expensive and not free. So how can we actually get something for free? Basically all you need to do is go down in here and choose the price from low to high. So just like that, you will receive here a bunch of free items. So all of these items are for free and you can get them without paying anything. There is some skins, clothes, and a lot of stuff, hairstyle, shoes. There's a lot of stuff that you can use for yourself, and they are like infinite. So as you can see, as long as I'm going down, there will be something for free loading in front of my page. There's something cool in here, and there is some stuff that are really bad, but in the total it is free, so we are not losing anything. So yeah guys, that was it, and thank you for watching.